Hey man, this is Travis. I just wanted to record you a video real quick. Hey Tyler, this is Travis. Hey man, apologize it's taking me a while to get back to you. I've just come down with, I've got a hyperthyroid issue I gotta deal with, some pretty bad kidney problems and a bunch of other fun stuff I gotta deal with in life. So my health hasn't been the greatest lately, and I've got a lot of appointments this month I need to go in and see the doctor for. Kinda weird how I took on this project and I just don't have time to basically do it. So I really apologize. I'm going to see what I can get done, but I want to show you how to walk through here and kind of just get an idea of the back end database and the platform for Moonfruit where your site is hosted. So first go to moonfruit.com and then go to login and then type in Travis Martin websites, and then the password is Chico iStore, and then login. Okay, when you come in, go ahead and just click on your site. Actually, real quick, this is where you're going to find support, some new things about the platform, and this is like all your database for the website. So this is visitors, this is how much space you've used, last updated, Okay, so go ahead and click on the site. This is going to bring you up into the editor. So this editor is really easy, man. Simple. It's like drag and drop type of thing. So here's your store. Everything is clickable. So you can move stuff, you can edit right within the copy. Very easy. There isn't widgets in here like you would see with WordPress. Everything in here is basically just drag and drop with text and photos. So to give you a quick little run through, up here, so this is obviously saved. Files, if you click on file, you can upload different files here. By clicking upload, all your files are right in here that I have. And then there's some product images, templates, and then before and after photos for you. So that's where they are in your files. And then you can click on these and just click use this, and it'll pop up on your screen. You can resize it to wherever you'd like. Okay, and now edit. Come to edit here, and you're going to get this drop down menu. So click on something, you can duplicate it. It's just going to duplicate it. Delete. You sure you want to delete? You can delete. Paste, select all, bam, select the whole website. Undo, redo, you know what those are. Arrange, so you can have something in front, and then if you want to send it to the back, you can send it to the back, or you can bring it to the front. So that's really easy. Alignment, you're probably not going to use that a lot, but anyways, if you want to click this, click any item you want, and then click the align, and then you can align to the center, and it'll automatically center it on the website, or you can go left hand side to center it there. And then again, this is free moving, so it's some of it is by the eye of what looks best. Okay, so that's that section. Alignment, distribute. Don't need to worry about that. Preferences, and then you can show the menu bar on that or not on that page. You're gonna want to keep that there. Okay, so to edit all the menu structure and the background, you're gonna come up here with Page Master. Do you want to save your changes? Yes, always save your changes. And this is where you can edit the store, you can edit the menu, click on the menu and you can come here and edit the font, the setup, the style, the colors, and all that cool stuff. You want to go back to the page? Just click page. You want to save changes? Yes. Okay, insert is exactly what it is. If you want to insert body text, title text, a link button, HTML, pictures, widgets, shapes. So you've got all this in here that you can insert. This platform doesn't allow contact forms, but there's another place I could show you where you could have that. I don't know if you really need that right now because you have a place people can go physically. Pages, come here and you can organize your pages. This is all the pages on your website right here that you can navigate to and rename if you'd like. That, and then we'll change the menu structure. Delete this page permissions. This is where you can make the page longer or shorter, which is kind of cool. You can add a new page if you click here. And you can take from the templates here, or you can just go ahead and copy a page, and it'll bring you to your current pages that you have, and you can copy one of the ones you already are working on. Okay, design, site margins. You're not going to need to play with this. This is automatically set. If you want to, you can, but these are the margins on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the website. Wallpaper and icon. So wallpaper is going to be the back. This is a gradient you see back here is what I'm using. And you can change stuff within here, site margins, obviously over there already. Background color, you can change all that fun stuff. Shop, this is for setting up an actual e-commerce on your site. These are just some default products in here that I haven't done anything with. These are not visible on your site, so don't worry about that. Mobile, you can kind of get to see what your mobile looks like. If you want the desktop view, if you want to use an optimized view, I would use a desktop view. It looks really, really clean. Services, so there's different things you can add to it, analytics, webmaster tools, things in here. Domains, will take you to another page where you can register a domain. This is where we're going to have to figure out what to do about your account. I just haven't had time to go in here, honestly. So I see the iStore here, and I guess we're going to have to redirect the DNS record. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to do that. Okay, oops, Facebook, email. Okay, back here. Let's go ahead and cancel this and go back to editor. Okay, so that's domains. Admin, I know I'm going through this quick, so please message me if you need anything. Admin is going to be the site information. This is where you can add your site name, your email, and description of site. So this is where you're going to put your keywords too, so it can help you rank on Google. Statistics. This is going to say how many visitors you have. This is all their site information, just to remind you. Admin, site information. You can go Google Analytics here if you have a custom Google Analytics account. Search, you can, these are good for keywords, so you pick a category, business, career, electronics, cancel, fill those out, that'll help you. Site information, this is where the domain would come in, add a custom domain in here, or you can transfer the DNS records here. So yeah, that's kind of it. There's not really too much to the site. It's very simple navigation up here, and then it's very self-explanatory. Copy, paste, delete. You can move stuff around. You can insert body text, title text, link buttons, HTML snippets, all that fun stuff. So, and like I said, none of this is widgets. It's all just literally hand placed wherever I thought it would look best, and you can just move it around wherever you want. So, I really like this because it gives you a range and a variety to do whatever the heck you want. There's no limits on templates. You can place stuff wherever. You could take this and stick it, anywhere. Over here if you want. Boom, save. Or you could take it and put that where it was. Again, this is by your eye. This is how this platform works. So yeah, now we're set there. And remember to always save everything you have. So then save it. Okay, so that's kind of an overview. Like I said, I got your message on Facebook. Let's see if I can read this here. You talked about, I wasn't really sure what to do about this. Also, if you would like me to make a banner, I don't have the software to make a banner. Also, pricing changing time, high quality displays. That's something I guess that's just text that can be entered. You talked about on the first page of Google, I just saw on my phone. Extra $50 on your website's a little better than because it's a company and the website. This page of Google just like my competitor. I don't know how familiar you are with internet marketing and how Google works. I deal with it all day at work. It's getting someone on the first page of Google is not easy at all. There's meta tags you can use, there's keywords you can use, there's title tags, there's a bunch of different conversion things. I know there's like 100 different things you could do on your website. I've integrated almost every single one on your site, but to get something ranked first on Google, we don't say that on our sites for at least 3 to 4 months on the clients that we work with at work. And that's because they have a blog and they consistently blog, and the keywords they use within the blog get ranked on Google and they get more traffic to their website, which gives them more leads and conversions. So getting it on the first page, very hard. That's not an easy process, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Another thing is I'm having a hard time finding time for this. One, because of work. I work 45 hours a week, and then I was working on this at work, and my health too. I mean, usually on something like this, I would charge $100 a page on the website business I usually had. So, I mean, I don't mind the 100 that you're paying. I do need just more time if that's what you still want to go forward with. and that's why I wanted to show you in case you have time to go in here, or you have somebody else that's kind of website savvy. They can go in and check it out and see if they can help you too. But I'm so slammed right now. I didn't expect all these health things to come up with my appointments and everything, and it's no fun. I've been really tired all the time, and I'm just having a hard time even getting things done that I need to get done in my personal life. So this has been pushed off to the back to take care of my health, just to be honest. So I wanted to give you a walkthrough of the website in case you can edit anything. It's all very, very simple. If you want to, let me show you this real quick. If you come to click on Moonford up here, top left, this support is very, very nice. So come up here and just go to support. I've called these guys, emailed them multiple times, and they're a really good help. Scroll down to the bottom and go to contact us, and then you can go, legal, and you can put your name in here. You could put Tyler Fararr, your email address, and then your subject, and then your message. Just go ahead and put in here the website URL. So that would be, chicoistore.moonford.com. Say you're working on it, and your message, and they're very good. Like 24 hours, they get back to you, and they can tell you, they can do things for you if you want. Even the website URL direct and all that fun stuff. So I just want to give you this quick video to give you a tutorial. I don't mind if you keep messaging me. That's totally fine. I'm gonna see what I can work on. But like I said, I'm whooped, dude. And I apologize. I jumped into this maybe a little too quick, and I didn't understand that my body was gonna not let me do what I wanted to do. So yeah, I really like your site, man. This looks really good. I think people are really gonna like it. I've shown it to a couple people, and they're like, "Dang, this is really nice." So you do a really good job on your service, and I love helping you out. You've been a good friend from high school, and um, yeah, let me know how else I can help you. I apologize for the inconvenience I know this is causing you. I know you want to get this up because it'll help your business. So, alright, man, give me a call, 530-519-6899 if you need anything, or email me at travismartinwebsites@yahoo.com. Alright, man, take care. Bye-bye.